Hi, I'm Rex. After you found the data you need in one of the tables in data.census.gov, you may want to produce a visualization of the data. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a map using the table you found in data.census.gov. My goal is to produce a map that shows the percent of females in poverty by census tract in Stone County, Missouri, using the Explore Filters button. I've completed my search by adding the filters that I needed in data.census.gov. Here's the list of tables that I receive. The first table that comes up, S1701, Poverty Status and the Past 12 Months, is the table that we need. So I'm going to click on the table title to open it to the full view. This table uses the 2024 5-year ACS estimates. Looking through the table, I can locate the line of data that I need. For females, and the percent below the poverty level is 17.4% for census tract 901.01 in Stone County. I can also see that if I scroll over, I can view this line for all of the other census tracts. These are the estimates I want to map. There are two ways to get to the map. The first way is to click on a map button located at the end of the ribbon right above the table. The other way is to click on a Maps tab found near the top of the screen. Both take you to the same spot. The map automatically centers over Stone County. In the title near the top of the map, you can see that the variable that is being used is the percent of people below poverty level. And to the bottom right, we see that the data for this table comes from the table S1701 from the 2024 ACS 5-year estimates. Remember that we want to know the percent estimate for females below poverty. To switch to this, click on a chevron to the right of the population for whom poverty status is determined, found on the left side of the ribbon above the map. You can either scroll down the list to locate the variable you want, or you can use the search bar right above the list to narrow it down. Let's delete the population for whom poverty status is determined from the search bar and type in female. You can see that it narrows the list down to just a few different options. Let's click on female found under sex. When I click on this, the map updates with the percent estimates for females below poverty. You can see that the legend is updated as well. I hope you found this helpful. For more videos like this, check out our resources page linked in the description box. Thank you and have a wonderful day.